times we went rolling without knowing where we were going, and world was ours, but we didn't know it. So wild, so free, living eternally through memories of you and me. Thankful for the times we had, chilling on a back road, the times we had, bumping on a radio, the times we'll have. When I'll see you again, I'll always love you, my friend, and I'm thankful for the times we had. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm going to teach you guys how to play this awesome song that's requested, so if you have other song requests, please let me know in the comments and I'll get to it as soon as I can. Also, please hit like and subscribe so you get notified when I come out with new tutorials in the future. And just do it to be nice to me, because I really appreciate it when I get more subscribers and likes and stuff. So, and it makes it so that YouTube will serve the video up to more people. So if you think it's worthy of someone else's view, please hit like and subscribe. And leave a comment too saying, hey, you are an awesome guitar teacher, something like that, okay? So let's get into it. This song is in standard tuning and you don't need a capo on it, all right? I actually like playing it better with my thumb, but I want to play it with a pick so that you guys can hear it better, okay? So you're only going to use 4 chords for the song. The 4 chords you will use are E minor. You're also going to use D. Okay? You're also going to use C. And then you're going to use G. You can use whatever G you want. You could use this G. However, I use this one because you're going from C to G and then E minor. So I think to me that's an easier transition. But if it's easier for you to do this G and that's the one that you know, then do it, all right? So let's get into it. So you're going to start with down, 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 up, down. Okay? Down. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. Okay, so that's what you're going to start with. You're going to do E minor, D, C, G twice with no lyrics, okay? None. So then what you're going to do next is, so after that you're going to go, the times we, and then you're going to start playing E minor again. So after that G, I would mute it, and then you're going to say, the times we went rolling without knowing. Okay, so you're going to do E minor starts on went. Went rolling without knowing. Okay, without knowing. Knowing is where you're going to do D. Knowing where we were going, and so right after and, you're going to do C. World was ours, but, okay, but is G, but we didn't know it. Then you do E minor right before so. So what, so free. Free is where you do D. Free, living eternally through memories. Okay, so you go really quickly into through memories, and memories is C. Through memories of you and me, I'm thinking is G. Thinking about the times we had. So had is E minor. Had, chilling on a back. Okay, back road, back is D. Back road, the times we had. Okay, had is C. Had, bumping on the radio. Okay, radio, so on the radio is where you can do G. Radio, the times we'll have. Okay, we'll have, so have is where you can do E minor. Have, when I'll see you. Okay, when I see you again, when I see, so I see you. When I see you again, I'll always love is C. Love you, my friend, and I'm thankful. Okay, and I'm thankful is G. And I'm thankful for the times we've had. Okay, so that's, now you know how to play for the chorus, okay? The song starts with intro, then that chorus, and then you go into the verses. Verses are very rappy, so I'm not going to do the whole thing for you, but I will show you a little bit of where you play them and the strumming pattern that you will play for that. All right, so for the chorus, you're doing down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, okay? So you're doing that down, down, up, down. Now when you go from the chorus to the verse, you're going to play it differently. So as soon as you get done with that G, or sorry, with the E minor, times we had, you just do down, 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 See, it's very easy. It's just down, down. So the first strum that you do on a chord, you're gonna take a pause for a second. So you'll do down, 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 down. So you see, I switched it because you can do it this way too if it's easier for you, but it just depends on your skill level. So you can do down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. Okay, so you can do that for it as well. So you're going to start. So the end of the chorus is E minor. Times we have, thinking about all those good old days. So you're just going to do E minor, D, C, G. All right, and you're just going to do that. It's the same chord progression the entire song, so it's not hard to play.